Hello everyone, welcome to Unboxing Box. Here I have the Canon EOS 80D with 18 to 55mm kit lens. Let's go ahead and unbox it. This is its box with 18 to 55mm STM kit lens. The MRP is 89,990 and I have got it for about 80,000 from the retail store. Let's see what's inside the box. There is some paperwork inside. There is a manual book which is too thick. There are many pages in it, and a warranty card and some more flyers. Let's see what's inside. Okay, there are a lot of things inside. This is the Canon 80D camera, the body. The packaging seems to be pretty good. The camera is packed really well. It's very safe inside. Wow. The body is really amazing. It feels so smooth holding it in my hands. The grip is amazing too. Let's keep the camera aside for a while and see what else is in the box. We have the camera battery here with a battery case. The battery seems to be pretty good. Let's keep it aside again. And there is the free 16GB memory card with the box. SD card. This is the cable. This is the charger with which we can charge the camera's battery. And we also have the Canon EOS 18 to 55mm kit lens. This lens seems to be pretty solid. This is a great lens for basic photography and videography purpose. This serves really good. And we also have the DSLR strap with EOS 80D branding on it. This is of great quality. So after unboxing, these are all the things which we found inside the camera. So let's get into the features of the camera. This is a great DSLR with 24 megapixel CMOS sensor with very fast autofocusing. It has also got a dual pixel autofocus with 45 autofocus points. And we also get a 7 FPS continuous shooting with autofocus. We also get a 7560 pixel RGB plus IR metering sensor. And then there are great data transfer tools like Wi-Fi plus NFC for easy transfer of data to the smartphone. And this is a weather resistant body, which is a great thing. The LCD screen is of 3 inches 1.04 mm touchscreen. We can also rotate the display, so this camera can also be used for vlogging purpose. The touch sensitivity of the display is really good. It's very smooth. We also have a feature wherein we can know whether the camera is put in the right position or not. We can switch the modes from camera to video mode, and when you press these buttons you can adjust the white balance and other settings of the camera. There are great features and great settings in the camera. And on top of the camera there is an LED panel which shows the ISO, shutter speed and the f number. On the left side of the camera we have some ports like HDMI, mini USB, audio in and audio out. And on the right side of the camera we have the SD card slot. And this also has a great feature wherein if the SD card port is open, the camera gets switched off automatically, and when it is closed it switches on automatically. There are great shooting modes as well. So guys, this is the unboxing and a brief review video for Canon 80D. In future, if possible, I'll make a longer video going deep into the specifications. This video is sponsored by commonpug.com. commonpug.com is a great website with great products in it, and also there are amazing deals on these amazing products. You should go check it out. And there is a sale going on currently, and you can get most of the products for as less as 50% off. And when you add a product to the cart and while checking it out, you can just use my code YT20OFF and get 20% extra discount on everything. You can also use Apple Pay or PayPal. You can also use credit or debit cards. So guys, what are you waiting for? Go place orders and seal the deal. Get the best products for the best price on Common.